So we have 3 different types of cakes available for you. We have crab cakes, lobster cakes, and seafood cakes. You can buy all the crab cakes by themselves in a 12-pack, or you can get this combo case pack, which has 4 of each cake. Really, really nice sampler appetizer for people if they want to try different things. I like to saute them personally. I like to do it a little different than the recipe card that you get, where I like to use oil and butter when I'm sauteing them rather than just oil or butter. Someone showed me that trick and I think it adds a lot of flavor. So let's get started. So you can use about a tablespoon per cake. I'm gonna do 3 cakes here. I'm gonna do about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. I have it on a medium heat. Cover the base of the pan here. Fantastic, and we'll take 1 of each cake here. And you know that it's preheated when it sizzles. Okay, so we have a crab cake, lobster cake, and combo cake. So we have it on medium heat with olive oil and butter, and we're gonna saute it on each side until it gets golden brown. So it's been about 4 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and flip these. Yes, nice golden brown color. They smell really, really good. Okay, I'll set it again for 4 more minutes. We've cooked them for about 4 minutes on each side, and I'm gonna plate them now. That's the crab cake there, lobster cake, and seafood cake. So there you have it, some combo cakes from greatallasseseafood.com. We have a crab cake, a lobster cake, and a seafood cake. Saute for 4 minutes on each side on medium heat. Make sure they're golden brown on each side, and enjoy.